Hello dear students, welcome back again to the maths class of standard 5. This is the second part of chapter number 10, tens and hundreds. In the previous session, you studied the concept of tens and hundreds, decimal numbers and decimal place value chart. Today we will learn the units of length and also we will learn to convert them. So let's begin. And today we are going to start this lesson number 10, tens and hundreds from the textbook. So let's have reading of this. What was the length of the smallest pencil you have used? Children, here you can write the answer according to the pencil which you have used. So here I am writing the answer that the length of the smallest pencil that I have used is 5 centimeter. This answer varies from student to student. Now here guess dash centimeter. Student, here you can see this blue pencil. Guess how much is the length of this pencil. So I am writing here 3 centimeter. Now measure it using a scale. How good is your guess? Now children, take a scale and measure the length of this pencil and then check how good is your guess. Student, here you can see this image here. Student, here you can see that this pencil can be measured with a scale. Here this girl thinks it is more than 3 centimeter. And you can see here scale. There are two types of scales. One is coming with 15 centimeter and other is of 30 centimeter. Here is given of 10 centimeter. Here you can see some small lines, these smaller lines. There are 10 smaller lines. So these smaller lines are of millimeter. So there are 10 millimeters and this bigger line is of centimeter. This is of centimeter. 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter, and here 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter. So 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. You can see here. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So we can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and this 10. So there are 10 mm. Now let's measure this pencil. So this is going from 0 to 3 here. Here is 0, from 0 to 1, 2, 3 and then not up to 4. So we have to count here these smaller lines. These are of millimeter. So we can count here millimeter. After 3 centimeter, millimeter. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this 6. So 6 mm. So this pencil is 3 centimeter and 6 millimeters long. So here you can measure this pencil with a scale. Here 1 centimeter has 10 equal parts. As I have explained you, here 10 equal parts. The smaller line which are given here between So here 1 centimeter has 10 equal parts. So each part is 1/10 of a centimeter. So we can say that each part is 1/10 of a centimeter, because I have explained before also that if whole is given and it is divided into 10 equal parts, then each equal part is called 1/10 of a whole. So here also we can say that each part is 1/10 of a centimeter. 1/10 of a centimeter is called 1 millimeter. So here 1/10 of a centimeter is called 1 millimeter. That means 1/10 of a centimeter, 1/10 centimeter is equal to 1 millimeter. Children, here you can see this scale. Now here if you want to measure this pencil, we have to see these numbers and these lines. If you see here, these smaller lines are there and some lines are bigger, and also written the numbers with bigger line here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these bigger lines are of centimeter and the smaller lines are of millimeter. Here there are 10 lines. So we can say that this pencil is 3 centimeters and 6 millimeter long. 3 centimeter and 6 millimeter long. Oh, so this pencil is 3 centimeters and 6 centimeter long. That already we have measured here 3 centimeter and here 6 millimeters long. Now moving further, see here this end says, see, I am 3 mm long. Here we cannot say that it is 1 centimeter and 3 mm long, because we can measure any object starting from 0. So if we assume here 0 and then count these lines of mm, so this is 3 millimeter long. So let's count here 1, 2 and 3. So this is of 3 mm long, but I am longer, 7/10 of a centimeter or dash millimeter. So this answer is I am longer, 7/10 of a centimeter. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is of 7 millimeter, and 7 millimeter if we convert into centimeter, we can write that 7/10 of a centimeter. That means 7/10 centimeter. So 7/10 centimeter is equal to 7 millimeter. So we can write here answer 7 millimeter. Here we note that 1/10 centimeter is equal to 1 mm. So 7/10 centimeter is equal to 7 mm. So we can write here 7 millimeters. Now we also call 1/10 of a centimeter as 0.1 centimeter. Children, I have taught you that we can write the number in fractional form and also in decimal form. So we can write that 1/10 centimeter as decimal form 0.1 centimeter. Here if we divide 1 by 10 we will get 0.1, or here in denominator there is 1 0. So we can write one digit after the decimal point. This both way we can write 1 millimeter in fractional form and in decimal form. In fractional form 1/10 centimeter, and in decimal form we can also write 0.1 centimeter. So we read it as 0.1 centimeter. So here 0.1 centimeter. So 1 millimeter is the same as 0.1 centimeter. So here we can say that 1 mm is equal to 1/10 centimeter or 0.1 centimeter. These all are same. Now proceeding further on page number 155. Here what is the length of this pencil? Dash mm. What is its length in centimeters? So we have to write the length of this pencil in both millimeter and centimeter. So first let's count here the lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 mm. That means 6 millimeter. So here we can write 6 mm, millimeter. What is its length in centimeter? Now let's convert this millimeter into centimeter. As we know that 1 mm is equal to 1/10 centimeter. So 6 mm is equal to 6/10 centimeter, or in decimal number we can write 0.6 centimeter. So in both way we can write 6/10 centimeter or 0.6 centimeter. So here answer is 0.6 centimeter. So children, here is the end of this session. Practice this all practice question which we have solved today in your maths notebook. Thank you.